Hello, this is a quick demonstration of the Ameren Smart Home app. I have the app installed on my phone and I'm going to demo the app of my phone. So to get started, here's the icon of the Ameren Smart Home app. I'll tap on the icon. I'm greeted by this splash screen for a short moment. And then it takes me to this landing page or the power control page. So if you tap on the side menu, you'll see all these features, which I'll explain shortly. But back to the home page, this is where you can control power in different areas of the home. So I have these different boxes representing different areas of my house. And so the first one is for the bedroom. Then I have one for the kitchen, one for living room, and finally a main switch. As you can see, each of these boxes has usage information. So since 6/1 of this year, the appliances or the devices in my bedroom have been on for 50 hours. That's how much the usage is, and that's how much bill I have racked up since this date. Again, this is not real data. At the time of this recording, we are still working with the CSS team and seeing if you can possibly expose data at this granularity. But the idea is we should be able to switch on and off devices in different parts of your home. So to demo that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my camera so you can see what's going on. Now again, for demonstration purposes, I have a lamp and a fan on both sides of this sofa, and one is representing the bedroom, and one kind of is simulating the kitchen area. So the idea is if I switch on the button, it switches on the devices in my bedroom. Similarly, if I switch on this button, if I want to control the devices in my kitchen, simply tap on this button and it switches them on and off. So the fan and lamp basically go on and off from this app. And then I have a main switch, so if I turn them on, I'm going to turn them off, and then instead of switching on and off each area, I have the main switch, which basically controls everything. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see that, and I'm just going to turn the main switch off. It switches everything off. Next feature I'm going to demo is the Ameren Voice Assistant. So the idea is instead of typing commands manually, you could also issue voice commands just like Siri or Cortana, and the app will basically control devices using voice. So to simulate that, what I'm going to do is tap on this button and say commands like turn bedroom on or turn bedroom lights on, and so on and so forth, and we'll see how it works. So first I'll try to turn the kitchen lights on. So just tap on this button and say the command. Ameren, turn kitchen lights on. So we just did the kitchen lights, and now I'm going to try to turn the bedroom lights on. Ameren, turn bedroom on.
Bedroom lights on.
There, right. And again, just to turn everything off, I'll just tap the button, and say turn everything off. Ameren, turn everything off.
Everything is now turned off.
And there you go. Feature I'm going to demo is the schedule power, or basically the timer, where you can set a timer to turn your devices on and off. So I have the bedroom lights on. I'm going to turn the kitchen lights on, and then instead of turning everything off using the voice assistant or the main switch, what I'm going to do this time is basically go to the menu and select the schedule power option of the feature. This is where I can pick a date and time where I'd like my devices to turn off. So right now the devices are on, so it's giving me a green button which basically shows that everything is on, and I can tap here to pick a date and time. So I'm going to select just say for demonstration purposes, I'm going to say just turn everything off in a few seconds from now. So in this case I pick 10 seconds, and then the timer basically shows you when the devices are scheduled to go turn off basically. There you go. So instead of manually controlling, you can set a timer and schedule your devices to go on and off. Real quick is this smart vacation feature. Basically use this feature to automatically turn devices on and off when you're away and no one's home. Using this, you can turn devices on and off every 15 to 20 minutes, just giving the appearance that someone is home. So all you do is just flip the switch, and that's it. So once this is enabled, your devices in your home will randomly go on and off every 15 to 20 minutes, thus giving the appearance that someone is home. Okay, so here's a quick demo of the garage door opener feature of the app. So to access the garage door in the app, just go to the menu, tap on the garage door, and here's a simple interface which with a single button, which basically allows you to open and close your garage door. So on the left hand side, I have a live video stream of my garage door. So you can see the timestamp over here. It's almost 5:57 p.m. That's the current time. And so if you tap this button, it'll open the door. Cool. And once again, just to close the door, tap the button. So that's your simple garage door opener, which allows you to control your garage door from pretty much anywhere in the world. The next feature, real quick, is the outage map feature. Again, this is work in progress, so this is not complete yet. But the idea is, inside the app, at the tap of a button, you should be able to see the outage and all the different outages in different parts of the town. So again, this is a work in progress. We're trying to work with different teams and see if we can expose this data to REST API, so that basically we can easily integrate this that data in the app. This is not done yet, but this is just a prototype of that outage feature. Okay, so the final feature I want to demo is the home security feature of the app. On the right is my main door, and as you can see, there's a reed switch attached to the door, which is basically controlled by the microcontroller. And so the way it has been programmed that if the door opens or anytime the door opens, the circuit will break, and the microcontroller will actually send a signal through a REST API, which will be picked up by the app, by our smart home app. And using IFTTT or the if this then that, the integration app, it actually connects to our smart home app, and anytime the door opens, it will basically send a text message, as well as it'll call our cell phone saying that the door was open. So that's like a cheaper alternative for your home security. So to demo that, I'm actually going to go ahead and open the door, and as soon as the door opens, you should see a SMS and a phone call on a phone. So now that the door has been opened, we should see in a few seconds, there it is, the IFTTT message kicked up, and it gave me a voice notification, and I should also get a call in a few seconds. And that's the call. And if you try to open the call, I'll get a message saying that my main door is open at so-and-so date.
Your main door was opened on August 23rd, 2016 at 10:14 p.m. Message brought to you by it.
So that's a cheaper alternative for home security.